What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. This is just a quick unboxing of the Puffco Plus vaporizer. I'll try and make a small review in the future, or maybe I'll do a review while I'm reviewing a concentrate, but for the moment this is just an unboxing video. If you were thinking of purchasing it and wanted to know exactly what comes in the box, you'll be able to see it here. In the box comes the battery, the chamber, the mouthpiece with the dart in the middle, the charger, Q-tips to clean it, and a sleeve or grip to go around the chamber. The battery, the chamber, and the mouthpiece all feel like they have some weight to them. They're not light. As you can see on number 3 here, you want to push the dart down in the middle, which will push the scooper down to scoop the concentrate. Then when you put it back in your pen, you just got to push it down and the center will pop back up in the dart. The 3 different temperature settings are blue, low temp, green, medium temp, and white, high temp. It doesn't tell you the actual temperatures, it just says low, medium, or high. The rubber piece on the mouthpiece is the dart that you want to push down when you want to scoop your concentrate. That'll push the scooper down. The battery has a common 510 thread, so it'll work for all the 510 thread cartridges in the dispensaries. To turn it on or off, you gotta click 5 times, and to change the temperature, you gotta click 4 times. If you wanna go into sesh mode, click it twice, and that'll heat it for 12 seconds. Well, that's about it for this video, you guys. Like I said, it was just a quick unboxing. I'll try and maybe do a review in the future, or maybe, like I said, I'll review it while I'm reviewing a concentrate. Hope you guys are having a great day and steaming on some good broccoli. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want. If not, it's cool. Happy token, you guys.